Hi, my name is Josh. I'm the designer of the Tern Craft Ice Cream Maker. It's a home ice cream maker that allows you to make really premium homemade ice cream in just a matter of minutes. It also allows each family member to have their flavor and their style just the way they want it.
You can even customize your recipe by using non-dairy milks, pureed fruit, or avocado or banana for healthy frozen treats. Our patented design disperses the ice cream across the entire freezing surface, which reduces the freezing time, allowing you to make a pint in just 5 to 10 minutes. Faster freezing also makes a smoother finished texture and gives you endless options for making new recipes and trying creative ideas. We designed Tern with a streamlined shape and ultra-quiet function to make the ice cream making experience fun for everyone. It's available with one bowl or multiple bowls so you can enjoy the process with family and friends. With a removable cover and a rinseable base, the cleanup is quick and easy as well. As a family, we love to spend time together in the kitchen, making delicious creations. Over the years, we've come to expect that our home creations are a step above what you can find at the store. However, when it came to making ice cream, the process took so long and the finished ice cream was subpar.
And so I bought half a dozen different ice cream makers to try to get it to be that smooth texture that I expect from an ice cream shop, but it never worked. What I came to find out was all those ice cream makers take a long time, usually more than half an hour to churn a batch of ice cream. But the key to making really amazing ice cream is to get it to freeze from a liquid to a solid in just a matter of minutes.
We went through dozens of design iterations and hundreds of hours of testing until we found a solution that churned smooth, premium ice cream. And we didn't just stop with an amazing ice cream maker design. At Tern, we are also purposeful in our business practices. We want to bring joy and invest into others by providing sustainable, productive employment, and by enabling healthy habits and lifestyles for our employees, their families, and their community. And that's exactly what we will do with your help.
As an engineer, I've designed and helped launch products that are sold all over the world. So I know what it takes to bring a product to market successfully. And now that we have our manufacturing partners lined up for the Tern Craft Ice Cream Maker, we need your help. We need your help to support the project through your pledges, but also by telling your friends and family. We're so excited to see what's next for Tern and for you to be a part of it.